Okay. Then they went to Gray's haircut shop. Haircut means barber shop. Acha, why did he not take a haircut at the Gustav shop? Because he had a, it is, he told, actually Bill कहता है कि he might have lost his credit. Credit मतलब उसने शायद वहां के उसके पैसे नहीं दिए होंगे. That's why he might have gone to Gray's shop, and then again Gray's shop, they did not find him. Then Grace barber shop, we missed King by only 5 minutes. Yes, he had come to the Grace shop, but he had gone away 5 minutes before. He had just left probably for the pool room. It is believed that he may be at present at pool room where that billiards game is played. Okay. At the pool room, it appeared that he had just bought a pack of cigarette and gone out. Then when they reached there, they were told that yes, he had come here, but he did not play any game today. He had just bought a pack of cigarettes and he went away. So we pursued him. Pursued me, went behind him, just behind him, but never catching him. For an hour till it was past 1 o'clock. It was afternoon. It was 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and naturally he was feeling very hungry. Narrator, lawyer. But I had so enjoyed Bill's rough country opinion about his neighbors that I scarcely means rarely, did not care whether I found Lutking or not. Because it was his failure, but he did not mind it. Usko बुरा नहीं लग रहा था because he was enjoying the company of Bill. Because what was special in Bill's company? Because he was speaking very very nicely. He was describing the people, his neighbors. He was speaking his expressing his views about all the people who were either his neighbors or the villagers. And that's conversing with him gave him a lot of fun. And that's why he enjoyed his company. Now let's see. We saw that he was feeling hungry. Then what happened? How about something to eat? I suggested. Author told him, okay, now it is quite lunch time. So what do you think about taking lunch? Okay, we must eat something. I suggested. Then he said, let's go to a restaurant and I will buy you lunch. Narrator offered him, yes, we will find a restaurant. Then we will buy a lunch and I will also buy lunch for you. Okay, I will offer you a lunch. Okay. Then, well, I ought to go home to the wife. What did he say? Who? अपना the bill. जो हैक ड्राइव वो क्या कहता है? I ought to go. Ought to क्या यूज क्या करते हैं? Ought to is the you can use just like should. Should की तरह यूज करना है इसको. Moral obligations जो होते हैं हमारे, कर्तव्य जे असते ना, कर्तव्यासाठी आपण ought to वापरतो आणि त्याच्या जागी तुम्ही should सुद्धा वापरू शकतो जेव्हा ऍडवाइस द्यायची असते आपल्याला. बघा, I should go to home to the I should go to home. I should go म्हणजे मला घरी जायला पाहिजे. पण हे त्याचं ते कर्तव्य जेव्हा आपण करतो, काही आपले मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वी ऑट टू रिस्पेक्ट अवर एल्डर्स. दॅट इज अवर मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन. Similarly, we ought to respect our national flag. We ought to respect our national anthem. We ought to help our young one. These are your moral obligations. जेव्हा मॉरल ऑब्लिगेशन असते तेव्हा हे ought to वापरले जातात. दिस इज कॉल्ड मॉडल ऑक्झिलरीज म्हणतात त्याला. मॉडल ऑक्झिलरीज कोणत्या कोणत्या आहे? ought to आहे, कॅन आहे, शुड आहे, मे आहे, माइट आहे, विल है, वुड है ना. दीज आर मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज. हम देखेंगे उसको. और इसमें एक चीज रखना, याद रखना है, जब भी मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज यूज करते, ये सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट के बाद हमने सीधा मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी लगा यहाँ पर, ought to, यहाँ पे आप शुड भी लगा सकते हैं, कैन भी, और उसके बाद तुरंत वर्ब बनाएगा. जो भी मॉडल ऑक्सिलरीज के बाद हमेशा वर्ब बनाएगा, उसको कोई यस यस नहीं लगाना है, कोई आईएनजी फॉर्म नहीं लगाना है, सीधा आई कैन प्ले, शी शुड स्टडी, यू मस्ट गो टू द डॉक्टर, right? You ought to respect your parents. So these are all model auxiliaries. We will see in a separate in a period about model auxiliaries. Okay, so he said that उसने जब उसको ऑफर किया, we will go and take a lunch in the restaurant. What did that hack driver said? Okay, no, sorry, I can't come with you because I ought to go home. मुझे जाना, ये मेरा कर्तव्य है, to go to my wife. Why? I don't care much for this restaurant. He said, I don't like restaurant food. He says, I eat only home food. Now, see, there is also some purpose telling this thing to him. because he will also want to earn money for that. See how I don't care much for this restaurant, only 4 of them, and they are all bad. What did he say? No, because in my village the restaurants are only, there are only 4 restaurants, and all restaurants are very bad. You will not find nice food there. Tell you what we will do. Tell you what we will do. Okay, we will get the wife to pack up a lunch for us. He said, don't go, we will not go to the restaurant. I tell you what we should do. हमें क्या करना है? You come with me. We will get the wife. I will tell my wife to prepare a lunch for us. I will take a tiffin. I will get a wife to pack up a lunch for me. Pack करके लेंगे lunch. My wife will prepare. And see, he is not offering the food at the free of cost. See what he is saying. She will not charge. She won't charge any more than $50. How much money she will charge? Just $50. $50 लगाएगी तुम्हारा खाना जो बनेगा. And it would cost you more for a greasy meal in a restaurant. But if you go to the restaurant, it would cost you more. Which kind of food? Greasy, oily food. Meal means food in a restaurant. It will be costlier, and that food will be also greasy, oily food. It is better that we will go to my home, and I will ask my wife to pack a lunch for us, and she will just charge you just $50. Very cheap food and very tasty food and healthy food, she said. He said. And we will see, we will not eat at my home. We will take our food and we will go to the Wades Hill. You see, this is the Wades Hill. Wades Hill means a location, nice location where you can enjoy the food, where you can enjoy the natural beauty. So we will go to the Wades Hill and enjoy the view while we eat. Enjoy. We can use the we can see the natural beauty, and while watching the natural beauty, we can enjoy our food. This is what he suggested. You see here, very clever person he is. He is earning money here also. Okay, he is not. He is also purchasing the food from his own home at the cost of that narrator. Narrator के cost के अनुसार अपना भी खाना खरीद रहा है, and from his wife. Okay, then they, now let's see what happened. We will first discuss some questions on the part we have learned today. What more does Bill say? Sorry, example. ये next paragraph में हम ढूंढेंगे. What more does Bill say about Lutking and his family? Lutking के बारे में और family के बारे में क्या बताता है? We will find in the next paragraph. Lutking मतलब जिसको Oliver Lutking. And does the narrator serve the summon that day? And is it possible for the narrator to give summon on the same day to find Lutking? Okay, and actually, and who is Lutking? We will find in the next paragraph. Let's see. Now you should see that they are sitting here at the Wades Hill. Now I know that Bill is helpful. I know that Bill's helpfulness to the young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brotherly love. Author was he was well aware. Narrator was well aware. उसको पूरा यकीन मालूम था कि the help which he was lending to him, the why he was helping, it is not only because he loved him. It is a brotherly love. फुकट में काम नहीं कर रहा था उसके लिए. He knew this. I was paying him for his time. He knew that every hour I am passing with him, I am paying him $2. क्योंकि उसका टाइम ही ठहरा हुआ था, हर घंटे का $2. So he knew that, and he was what he was passing the time. He was taking him to the Wades Hill, and then they were sitting there and spending the lot of time. In this way, he was earning the much money. Okay. But he was aware about this. ये जानता था कि ये जिसके साथ टाइम बिताना मतलब ये पैसे कमा रहा है. I was paying him for his time. In the end, I paid him for 6 hours, and it took 6 hours for him to find Mr. Lutking. He took him to various places, and including the lunch and time they spent and what is our, it included how much time? 6 hours. 6 hours के लिए उसने उसको पे किया, मतलब $12. Okay. इंक्लूडिंग द लंच आवर. इन लंच आवर्स का जो टाइम था उसने भी वो इंक्लूड कर लिया उसके अंदर. ओके. एट व्हाट वाज देन अ वेरी हाई प्राइस, एंड दैट वाज अ वेरी बिग अमाउंट. इट वाज अ बिग अमाउंट एट दैट टाइम, $12 to find that person in a small village. And even then they failed to find him. Even then he paid $12. It was a high price, but he was no more dishonest than I. He said, but I did not mind a list. In a list, I did not mind. मुझे थोड़ा भी बुरा नहीं लगा क्योंकि he was no more dishonest than I. Dishonest का क्या होता है? Honest ईमानदार और बेईमान। जितना मैं बेईमान था उतना भी बेईमान था। क्यों बेईमान था? I charged the whole thing to the firm because he was not paying the money from his pocket. अपने जेब से थोड़ी खरीद दे रहा था वो। He was charging all the amount to the firm. firm मतलब वो जो कंपनी ने उसको भेजा था ढूंढने के लिए, वो चार्ज किया उसके ऊपर, उसने बिल सबमिट कर दिया उधर। He told them that it took such a cost to find the person. Okay, so he charged all the whole amount to the firm. That's why he said that I was also dishonest. वो भी dishonest था, मेरे इतना ही dishonest था, बेईमान था. But it would have been worth paying him myself to have his presence. But he said that he was so much impressed by the behavior of that hack driver. He said that even if see, but it would have been worth paying. Worth मतलब योग्य था. Paying him myself to have his presence. Even if the company would not have given that money, he said that the person was worth paying. I would have paid him from my pocket to have his company. He was so impressed by him. अगर कंपनी ने दिया नहीं होता पैसा तो मैंने भी उसको उतने का पैसे दिए होते, मैं भी हैप्पीली मैं उसको पैसा देता था. वर्थ मतलब योग्य, लायक था. ओके, his cheerful country wisdom was very refreshing. So what did he like about that hack driver? He said that his cheerful country wisdom means उसका जो cleverness था, intelligence था. Country wisdom means the person who knows everything about the life in the country, his opinions, his views about the people in the countryside, his knowledge about the countryside. So, and how he was expressing all those things cheerfully was very refreshing to a country boy like myself. Author says that he was also from a country village. He was also from the village side. He also was born in the countryside. That's why whatever he was speaking, it was very refreshing to his mind. It was giving him joy. Who was sick of the city, and he was very fed up from the city life. Fed up मतलब उसको मन भर गया था कहां से? सिटी लाइफ से. So उसको, that's why he enjoyed the company of Bill. Bill जो एक्सप्रेस कर रहा था, व्यूज बता रहा था, हर जगह लेकर घूम रहा था उसको, तो he was it was very enjoying. He was enjoying, मतलब narrator was enjoying those things. Okay. His cheerful country wisdom was very refreshing to a country boy like myself who was sick of the city. As we sat on the hilltop, मतलब what is hill पे जब बैठ रहे थे, as we sat on hilltop looking over the pasture. What is pasture? Pasture is a greenery, है ना, grassland, जहाँ पर there are very few trees and only grass is there. Okay, looking over the pastures and creek which slip among the trees. Creek is the river which slip among the trees. From where that river was flowing. He talked on New Mullion. He was talking of New Mullion. He was talking about the place, that village, and he painted a picture in words of all the people in it. And when he was describing the village, he was also talking about the villagers. And he was so good in painting the pictures of the people, with describing the people, that he almost brought those characters alive in front of him. इस तरह से उन लोगों को बातें कर रहा था उनके बारे में कि जैसे उसका इमेज उसके सामने खड़ी कर देता था. ओके, he painted a picture in words of all the people in it. Okay, he noticed everything. He was a minute observer. Who? That Bill, मतलब the hack driver, minute observer था वो. So that's why he noticed everything. But no matter how much he might laugh at people, he also understood and forgave their foolishness. He knew that some of the villages are not good by their character, not good by their habits. They are not they might have some bad virtues in them, गलत काम करते होंगे, but even then he said that he understood them. वो समझता था उनको, and forgave their foolishness. Forgive means pardon, उनको माफ भी कर देता था. Okay, he did not take it otherwise. Okay, so see, author जब आथर को बहुत सारा जो चीजें बता रहा था, उसके बातों से ये पता चल रहा था कि ये लोगों के बारे में हंसता है, उनकी मजाक उड़ाता है, बट आफ्टर ऑल ही नेवर डू एनी हार्म टू देम. कोई गलत उनके बारे में, ही हैज नो इल विल अबाउट देम, उनके बारे में गलत सोचता भी नहीं. एंड ही फॉरगिव देम, ही फॉरगिव देयर फूलिशनेस. ओके, तो उस किस लोगों के बारे में, विच पीपल ही टॉक्ड अबाउट, कौन से लोगों के बारे में बोला? लेट्स सी. ही डिस्क्राइब द मिनिस्टर्स वाइफ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही टॉक अबाउट द मिनिस्टर्स वाइफ हु sang द लाउडेस्ट इन चर्च when she was most in debt. debt मतलब लोन, कर्जा. वो क्या कहता है? there is one wife, minister's wife. what is speciality about that wife? वो मिनिस्टर की वाइफ के बारे में क्या कहा उसने? ही कहता है she sang the loudest in church. चर्च में बहुत जोर से गाती है. कब? when she was most in debt. जब वो उसके ऊपर कर्जा ज्यादा होते हैं, she starts shouting loudly, singing loudly in the church. This is what he said about the minister's wife. Then he commented on the boys who came back from college in fancy clothes. Then he talk about the boys who came from the college in fancy clothes. Fancy means dandy clothes, fashionable clothes. जो fashionable clothes से जो बच्चे स्कूल से आते थे, कॉलेज से आते थे, boys particularly, he talk about them. Okay, then he told about the lawyer. Then he talk about the lawyer whose wife could never succeed in getting him to put on both collar and a tie. Collar and a tie on the same day. देखिए, then very small things, they were trivial things they were discussing. छोटी छोटी चीजें. उसने क्या कहा? He talk about the lawyer. एक lawyer है और उसकी wife क्या है? She is never successful. She could never succeed. Means she always failed. She was not successful in what? In getting him to put on both a collar and a tie on the same day. आपने देखा होगा लॉयर का कोड देखा होगा है, उसमें व्हाइट एक पट्टी रहती है ऊपर और एक टाई होता है. तो वो कहते हैं कि वो हमेशा दोनों चीजें साथ में लगाना भूल जाती है. एक भी दिन वो either she forgot to put on the tie or a collar. She could not put both the things at the same day. दोनों चीजें एक साथ नहीं लगा सकती थी. He talk about that woman, okay, a lawyer's wife. Okay, then he made them all alive. He was describing them in such a manner, such a way that he made them all live. उनके सामने उनका चित्र सामने आ जाता था ऑथर के सामने. Okay. On that day, I came to know New Mullion better than I did the city. He said that whatever time I spent with that Bill, so he described all the things in the village in such a manner that within few hours, I started understanding the New Mullion better than the city where I spent so many days. जितना मैं सिटी में स्पेंड किया दे, लेकिन मुझे सिटी समझ में नहीं आई, उतने उससे ज्यादा मुझे वो गांव समझ में आया. उसके कारण, किस कारण? बिल के कारण. बिकॉज ही डिस्क्राइब इट वेरी वेल. ओके, एंड आई स्टार्टेड loving that place also. And he described the city in such a way that he started loving the place. Now you see, when he first time entered New Mullion, he did not like New Mullion. Why he did not like? Because he found the streets muddy, and then he found the houses painted brown. But now after spending the time, he started enjoying the life in the New Mullion. He said that yes, I started loving it. That is the change came in the narrator after meeting hack driver. Okay, let's see. Bill didn't know about colleges. Okay, Bill didn't know about colleges and cities, but he had traveled around a lot of the country and had a lot of jobs. See, he had tried many jobs. अलग अलग तरह के काम किए थे. And he did not know college. He never went to college. Okay, and he did not visit the city also. But he had traveled around a lot of countryside. He had traveled many places, countryside places, rural areas. गांव का हिस्सा जहां पर पीस होता है, ऐसे places he had visited. Okay, then from his adventures he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity and laughter. From his adventure, which adventures? Traveling to different places, countryside. And he had, after traveling such a beautiful places, countryside places, he had acquired a lot of experience. उसको बहुत सारा experience आया था. He had met different types of people. Okay, and that's why he had done different types of jobs also. And because of these adventures, ये adventures के कारण, he had brought back a philosophy. जो फिलॉसफी सिद्धांत जो होता है ना, उसकी कौन सी तत्व ज्ञान था? फिलोसॉफी, सिंप्लिसिटी एंड लाफ्टर. ही वाज वेरी चीयरफुल, ऑलवेज लाफिंग, एंड ही वाज वेरी सिंपल इन नेचर. Simple, very friendly, and all this he had got because of his traveling to different places, meeting to different places, and doing different job. And that's why author was very much impressed. Okay, you can write what was his philosophy. His philosophy was simplicity and laughter, believing in simplicity and laughter. Okay, he strengthened me. He strengthened me is he made me also very wise. He made me wise. He brought a change in me also. What change he brought in him? He brought in me that I also started loving the people, loving the village countryside. Okay, we left that peaceful scene of meadows and woods and resumed our search of Oliver Lutking. He said that after talking on different topics, after taking meal, and then ultimately we left that place. वो peaceful scene जो था वाडेज हिल का, मिडोज, मिडोज क्या होते हैं, आपने 7th क्लास में मिडो सरप्राइजेस पोएम पढ़ी थी है ना, ग्रासी लैंड where you can find natural beauty. We left that place, and that wood means forest, small forest, and resume means again we started, began our search of Oliver Lutking का सर्च आपने देख सकते हैं, स्टार्ट किया. Then we could not find him. Naturally, we did not find him. At last, Bill cornered a friend of Lutking and made him admit what he guessed. At last, what happened? On one corner, Bill at last Bill cornered a friend of Lutking. Lutking का एक friend मिला उसको, किसको? बिल को, one corner पे, and made him admit. He made him admit, उससे admit करने को लगाया, कबूल करने को लगाया. क्या? What he guessed. क्या कबूल? कि Oliver has gone out to his mother's farm. Oliver, where? What did the friend tell him? Whose friend? Lutking's friend. वो कहां पे मिला? At one corner. और जब ये ढूंढ रहे थे, वो लटकिंग का फ्रेंड जब मिला, तो उसने, इसी ने, बिल ने उसको कबूल करवाया कि ऐसा क्या वो वहां पे गया है. एंड ही एग्रीड, वो उसने भी एग्री किया कि यस, ओलिवर हैज गॉन टू हिज मदर्स फार्म. मदर्स के फार्म में गया है. उसकी मदर, लटकिंग की मदर जो है, उसके खेत है, फार्म है, वहां पे गया है. And what was that farm? How far was that farm? It was 3 miles north. 3 miles north. It was far away. We drove out there laying plans. And so they also went to that place. They started going towards this place. See, all these planning. What आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है कि वो 3 माइल दूर है, वहां लेके जा रहा है उसको. इससे क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? He will spend more time. And more he spend the time, more money he would earn. That is the simple logic in passing the time. He was a very smart businessman. और जो उसको फ्रेंड मिला लटकिंग का, उसने कबूल नहीं किया, उसने नहीं बताया, इसने उसको पूछा होगा उस तरह से, अरे यार वो उसका लटकिंग का जो मदर है, उसमें लटकिंग वहां पे मिल सकता है क्या? इसने कहा हाँ वहां पे मिलेगा. तो इसने आइडिया दी उसको, और देन दे वेंट देयर आल्सो. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड दैट. लेट्स सी, दैट इज अ वेरी अम्यूजिंग पार्ट इन दिस लेसन. वो कैसी है लटकिंग की मदर, इस पे क्वेश्चन आता है. who was describe the Lutking's mother. Lutking की मदर को डिस्क्राइब करे. वेरी सिंपल वन. सी, आई नो ओलिवर्स मदर. हु सेड? वो कहता है, बिल कहता है, शी इज अ टेरर, शी इज वेरी टेरिबल. पहले उसके दिमाग में डाल देता है मिलने से पहले, टेरर है, बहुत डेंजर है. ओके, आई टूक अ ट्रंक आउट देयर फॉर हर वंस. उसको एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है? हाउ डिड ही नो हर? ही सेड दैट आई टूक अ ट्रंक. ट्रंक मींस बॉक्स, एक जो बड़ा बॉक्स होता है. I took a box there for her once. एक बार उसका जो, क्योंकि उसका बिजनेस ही वो है, carrying the things. So he was carrying a trunk in his hack में लेके जा रहा था. And she almost took my skin off. और जब मैं, when I reached there, what was the reaction of that woman? She almost took my skin off. मेरी चमड़ी निकाल डाली उसने. जब लगभग मेरी चमड़ी उखाड़ डाली थी. Skin off. For what? Because I did not treat it like a box of eggs. You know, box of eggs. Box of eggs कैसा होता है? We carry it very, because it is very delicate. So we carry it very carefully. हम बहुत carefully eggs को लेके जाते हैं ना. So इसने क्या कहा? उसका कहना क्या था कि तूने जो मेरा बॉक्स लाया है कैरेज में, so you did not take the proper care, है ना? You should have brought it like a box of eggs. थोड़ा स्क्रैचेस हुई होंगी, या फिर ठीक तरह से पैकिंग नहीं किया होगा. सो शी गॉट एंग्री, एंड दैट्स व्हाई उसको, उसने स्किन ऑफ, मतलब शी ऑलमोस्ट टुक हिज स्किन ऑफ. शी वाज एंग्री. ओके, देन he described her. She is about 9 feet tall. This word sentence you have to remember. He described that Oliver Nutkin's mother is about 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick. 4 feet thick मतलब मोटी, 4 feet or 9 feet long. Okay, and she's as quick as a cat, as quick as a cat, and she sure can talk. She sure can talk. वो बोलती है, लेकिन कैसा बोलती है? Let's see. She only abuse. She only reprimand. She always speak the vulgar words. Okay, that's why in this way he has described Lutking's mother. When the question is asked, describe Lutking, you have to write she is 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick, and she was as quick as a cat, and she can surely can talk. I will bet, मैं शर्त लगाता हूं, Oliver heard that somebody is chasing him, and he has gone on there to hide behind his mother's skirts. He says that, बिल क्या कहता है, मुझे पता है, आई बेट, मुझे यकीन है, मैं शर्त लगा दूं, Oliver heard that somebody is chasing him. He might have come to know. Somebody might have told him that somebody is searching him. And that's why chasing means searching him, following him. That's why he has gone there to his mother's farm for what? To take shelter, to take the protection, to hide behind his mother's skirts. हाँ, मदर के पीछे, पल्लू के पीछे छुप गया होगा. उसको मतलब मालूम है मदर वो ये टेरर है, उसको मदर के सामने कोई पंगा नहीं ले सकता, उसको पता होगा. दैट्स व्हाई ही माइट हैव रन अवे, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी मस्ट गो देयर एंड फाइंड हिम, ही सेड टू द नरेटर. वेल, वी विल ट्राई हर, वी विल ट्राई, हम वहां पे भी जाके देखेंगे. बट यू हैड बेटर लेट मी डू इट. अगेन ही वांट्स हिम, यू हैड बेटर लेट मी डू इट. बट बेटा, मैं जाऊंगा, ये काम मैं करूंगा. आई विल गो फर्स्ट टू मीट दैट वुमन. बॉय, you may be great at literature and law, but you haven't had real training in swearing. See, you had better. एक चीज याद रखना है पर, had better का यूज आपको एक चीज याद रखना है यहाँ पर. ये had better भी एक मॉडल्स की तरह हम इसको यूज करते. तर had better का अर्थ काय? केलेलं चांगलं राहील, असं जेव्हा आपल्याला म्हणा, हे तू केलेलं चांगलं राहील, तू अभ्यास केलेला चांगला राहील, तू माझ्या घरी आलेला चांगला राहील, तू इथून लवकर निघून गेलेला बरं राहील, तू न बोललेला बरं राहील, असं जेव्हा आपण म्हणतो तेव्हा आपण हॅड बेटरला यूज करत असतो. सेम सेम स्ट्रक्चर यूज करणार, सब्जेक्ट हॅड बेटर आणि व्हर्ब वन लावायचं है ना. तू माझ्यासोबत आलेला बरं राहील, कसा म्हणाल, यू हॅड बेटर कम टू मी. हा लेसन वाचलेला तू चांगलं राहील, यू हॅड बेटर रीड धिस लेसन है ना. तू इथं न आलेला बरा, यू हैड बेटर नॉट टू कम हियर, हैड नॉट. ओके, यूज कर सकते हैं ना. यू हैड बेटर गो अवे फ्रॉम हियर, यहां से निकल जाना तुम्हारे लिए ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा ना. यू हैड बेटर गो अवे फ्रॉम हियर बिफोर माय फादर कम. ओके, माय फादर याच्या अगोदर निघून. सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ बेटर. ओके, यू हैड बेटर लेट मी डू इट. तुम्ही ये काम मुझे ही करने दो. यू मे बी ग्रेट इन लिटरेचर, एट लिटरेचर, लिटरेचर में बहुत, मतलब पढ़ाई में तुम अच्छा होगे. एंड लॉ, तुम्हारा कायदा कानून सब की स्टडी की होंगी. यू मे बी गुड इन लिटरेचर एंड लॉ, बट यू हैवंट हैड रियल ट्रेनिंग. तुम्हें कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं है. कौन सा? इन स्वेरिंग. स्वेरिंग का यहाँ पे मीनिंग है एब्यूजिंग, गाली खाने में तुम्हें ट्रेनिंग नहीं है. यहाँ पर अभी वही सब चीजें करना है उनको. ओके, you are not good in swearing, abusing and using the bad words. Okay, we drove into a poor farmyard. So they went to the poor means not properly maintained farmyard, field. उसके फील्ड में गए. We were faced by an enormous and cheerful old woman. When they reached there, they found that they met enormous, very big and cheerful old woman. Cheerful, happy ओल्ड वुमन को वहां पे वो मिले, इनॉर्मस, बिग. माय गाइड ब्रेवली वेंट अप टू हर एंड सेड. गाइड मतलब ये कौन का? गाइड मतलब बिल. ये नैरेटर इज सेइंग माय गाइड मींस द बिल वेंट ब्रेवली टू हर. उसके पास गया, ये पीछे ही खड़ा रहा नैरेटर, एंड सेड, उसने कहा, क्या कहा? रिमेंबर मी, मुझे याद है क्या? डू यू रिमेंबर मी? अब देखिए, ये पीछे ही खड़ा है, ये वो वुमन के सामने जाता और कहता है, रिमेंबर मी, आई एम बिल मैग्नुसन. देखिए, बहुत कनिंग फेलो है. देखो, मैं बिल मैग्नुसन हूं, द कार्टर एंड हैकमैन हूं मैं. आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड यूर सन ओलिवर, तुम्हारा सन ढूंढना है मुझे. आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड यूर सन ओलिवर. आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट ओलिवर एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू. सी शाउटेड. देखिए, बहुत कनिंग है दोनों. ये गया सीधा कहता है, रिमेंबर मी, मुझे पहचानती हो क्या? I am Bill Magnuson, the Carter and hack driver, and I want to find your son Oliver. तुम्हारा son ढूंढ रहा हूँ. So what was her reply? She said, I don't know anything about Oliver, and I don't want to. I don't want to know about him. She shouted. जोर से चिल्लाई. We will stop here, children. You can see in the picture the mother of Latking. Latking ki mother, very healthy, very big, very tall, very fat. Okay. Okay, children.
आणखीन 5-6 मिनिटांना.
बस झाली बेटा, झाली.
आम्हाला चहाची पिऊ दे बाई, चहा देन करून.
फिनिश झाली बेटा. 4 मिनिटं नाही राहिले. बस आज थांबून देऊ आपण. Okay. Children, did you understand today's part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow we will again see the next part. Okay, children? Take care. Bye. और जो मैंने आपको बताया था, जो वर्क आपने लिखा है क्वेश्चन आंसर, उसको पोस्ट कर देना, क्योंकि उसका रिकॉर्ड बनाना है हमको इंस्पेक्शन के लिए. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye. Take care.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye.